Alright, now let's hack check the next bug, which is IFrame injection. So yeah, as you can see, we are visiting the iframe i.php with we are passing some get data. So it's a report.txt file, and we are setting the width and height. So this is actually iframe tag. If I check this in the dev tool, I press F12. Now if I click on this selector and hover this, as you can see, we are inside iframe tag, and inside we are setting the report.txt and width and height as here. So actually we can inject scripts in these parameters using the URL. So how it is possible, let's do it. So if you think and see, we are setting the param width and param height values to 255 and 250. So we are setting here, so we can inject scripts inside this. So what I'm going to do is let's say this double quotes, and now let's use the event, which is onload. You may already be familiar with this, unload, unclick, and so on and so forth. So let's let's try to show alert. When on the unload, let's try to show alert. So unload equals alert, and let's try hacked. Let's set enter and see what's going to happen. Yes, our script is injected but on the wrong place. As you can see, unload alert, and we are closing this 2 times. So as you can see, we are closing one but we haven't started one. So let's add another code in the URL. Let's add code right here, and if I hit enter, and yeah, as you can see, hacked. So we successfully injected the script inside iframe tag, and now as you can see here, the unload, we are injecting alert. We can add other events as well, but for now, as you can see, we successfully added the unload event, where whenever this iframe is loaded, the file is loaded, and iframe is loaded, we are showing alert. So we actually passed in the URL. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next bug.